Ever noticed how customers buy just one product, even when you have so many great complementary items they could grab? Those missed opportunities can mean smaller carts and lower revenue. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful frequently bought together feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Frequently Bought Together app and enable it with a single click. Next, create your first recommendation set. Choose the products you want to sell together with the main product. Then, customize how they appear on the product page. Adjust the font size, colors, and text to perfectly match your brand. When you're happy with the setup, hit save and check it out live. Now, your customers will see helpful suggestions right on the product page, making it effortless to add more items to their cart with a single click. Frequently Bought Together is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to increase sales, boost average order value, and improve the customer experience on your BigCommerce store. Try Crucials today and watch your revenue grow.